Do you know how to integrate tan of x with respect to x? At first it seems like it's pretty difficult to do because if you think about it, there are really no easy functions that you know that have a derivative of tan x, so finding the integral or the antiderivative is pretty challenging here. But luckily for us, we can always express this as a function of sines and cosines, so let's do that. We get sine of x divided by cosine of x dx, and over here you might notice that sine of x and cosine of x are related, and to make use of this relation we can use u substitution. So we're going to just say u is cosine of x. Pause the video, see if you can figure out what du will be. Du, you just differentiate both sides with respect to x, so du will be negative sine of x dx, and as you can see over here we've got a sine of x dx. The negative is just a factor of -1, so once you do that we're going to get negative du divided by u. Remember, u is cosine of x, so now we've got -1 over u du. If you integrate that, you get negative natural log of u plus c. Of course, we can't leave it in terms of u, right? We were given a problem with tan of x, not tan of u. So you define what u is in terms of x and put that back in. And remember, we defined it as just cosine of x. So now we've got negative natural log of cosine of x, absolute value of cosine of x, plus c. That's one way to write it. There's actually another way to do it as well. And that comes from the logarithm property that negative log of x will be log of 1 over x, and so we can put that, we can make use of that over here. So negative log of cosine of x will just be log of 1 over cosine of x, and as you'll remember, that's just secant of x. So we have natural log of secant of x plus c, and that's our answer for the integral of tan of x. And remember to keep the plus c at the end, of course. Thank you.